Welcome to week number 4. This week S represents sassy. Now, sassy has a couple of different components to it, okay? So we're going to break it up. So, part 1 of sassy, we're going to talk about our outer appearance. So, in sophisticated, remember we spoke about how our words, our conversation, how we speak with eloquence in education, right? So, now we want to talk about our outer appearance a little bit more. We've also discussed being single, being sanctified, and sophisticated doesn't mean we have to wrap ourselves up in a burlap bag. And it means, and look like we just got off the prairie with Mr. Ingalls, Little House on the Prairie. I'm probably dating myself, go ahead and look that up. Anyway, we can look our best and not have to show off everything, which truly allows us to embrace that we are women and that we're made with the greatest of attributes. Understand that we are made with the greatest of attributes. So this class, we discuss fashion and how to dress modest and still look and feel cute and desirable. Then we're going to go into sassy part 2. How you living? How are your surroundings of how you're living? So we have to understand that how we keep our environment really is a state of mind first. So when we keep up with all that is around us, it helps us to feel better about ourselves. When everything's clean and you walk into your house, isn't that the best feeling? Or you walk into your bedroom and everything's in order, isn't that the best feeling? So besides, if you can't keep your house kept up for yourself, how do you think that you'll be able to keep it up for company and eventually for that special someone? So being single is actually the perfect time to correct some of our bad habits. Some of those habits, we formed even as early as when we were young girls and we didn't want to clean our room. You know, I know grown sisters that are still pushing stuff in the closet because company's coming over and calling that clean. So we're going to try to eradicate some of those bad behaviors. And being single is the perfect time to focus on personal hygiene and our home care and taking care of ourselves, and so that we look good, that we smell good, and we feel good about ourselves. And then the last part of sassy is, let's not forget to have some fun. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to establish sisters that are in geographical locations that are near each other. Once we start to really form the sisterhood and we start to expand and we start to have our chapters, and that's where the program the workshop hosts come in, and eventually the community restoration specialists. Those are all the odds and the ends of becoming and working with program and project development. Okay, so you're going to eventually we'll have these chapters all over the country. And so that's when we want to implement definitely the ladies coming together. Think of something that's fun, think of something that's exciting, think of something that's rewarding. So in this class, we're going to do some fun interactive event. And so every 2 weeks, you'll contact your sister friends and set up a sister friend night. Plan to go out on the town, go bowling, go to a sports event, something, anything that doesn't cost a lot of money, right? You don't have to spend money to spend time with your sisters. Okay, get together and cook, or go out to eat, go for a walk, turn it into, something at the park with the kids. But whatever it is, we're going to get out and we're going to meet one another, and so that we can truly gel, because sisters, we need one another. And it's more than just coming online and talking, to each other via social media, but we want to get active. We want to have chapters in each city so that our sisters can get and stay active. Okay? From my heart to yours, I'll see you on the inside of class.